Got a little tired sitting on the couch today, so I thought I'd come out and make a quick video. This is actually going out for a friend of mine who wanted to see this front end loader that I put on one of my Ford tractors. This started out as a pile of parts that I found on Craigslist, and it was a homemade loader that they must have had working at one point because I could see where they broke it. I'll show you that. Once I got this home and kind of got it all put together, you can see where, hopefully you can see this on camera, it's kind of cold and windy out here today, where this had been bent. This vertical tower here had been bent and was sitting probably in there 15 to 20 degrees forward from where it's at now. And then after the fact, they had welded this brace on there. I cut that out and hooked up a tow strap to this brace and pulled it back so that it was more vertical, or at least matched the other vertical riser on the other side of the tractor. How this is hooked up is pretty interesting. Typical, let's see if I can get this on camera, typical mount in the back. But instead of bringing this all the way to the front, it comes up and goes over the bell housing there and just joins up on the other side. All the controls are on the left hand side. Just looks like some spare controls they had. I've temporarily mounted the PTO pump off the rear PTO, so I don't get live hydraulics with this setup. That's just kind of temporary. I wanted to make sure I liked how this worked. And then I'm playing around with some various counterweights, seeing how much counterweight to put on it. It worked fine without any counterweights back there until I got a full bucket full of wet snow, and then it became a little light up front. I've only got 75 pounds, and I'm just using some barbell weights, 25-pound barbell weights back there. I'd probably like to add another 25 or 50 pounds, but having some counterweights in the back really helps make it a lot easier to drive this up front. It uses a single hydraulic ram to raise or to tilt the bucket, and it's been working out really well for me. I use it for shoveling snow, and there was a video earlier where my wife was learning to use this to just scoop up some dirt to put in some raised garden beds. So let me put the camera on a tripod. I'll probably end this video and just make a second video showing you how this works.